Hey everyone, and welcome back to my shop. As you can see, a lot of things have changed in here over the last few weeks since our last shop update. I used to have a tall homeowner style workbench here along this wall. As you can tell, that has recently been sold. I've installed a new paint shelf as well as have space for all of my rolling tools and stuff to have a place to store. It leaves the shop a lot more open. It's nice. It's very nice. But since I sold the workbench, I now have to do something with all of the tools and material and everything that were stored on the workbench. So this week I'm currently in the process of breaking down a bunch of sheet goods to make a bank of drawers for both sides of the miter station. And we've been all around organizing, getting rid of scraps, giving away good scraps that are still usable. We'll never get to them. So we've been offering those up to people around that they could use them. So it's been very busy in here. Last week we installed a new dust collector. I will have a video coming up on that. Hopefully in the next few weeks. It might be the end of the month. I got a new video coming out on the new dust collection though. Also got a video coming up for the coffee table that we just finished up 2 weeks ago. It's really nice to have in the house. It's very sturdy, very heavy. Solid walnut top, ash base, maple legs. It's a nice table. But I'll have a video coming out for that here soon, I hope. And then we're going to start doing a weekly, bi-weekly shop update, kind of this style. Kind of just show y'all what's going on in the shop for the last 2 weeks, because I work full-time and a project video is not fixing to happen every week. I tried that and there's no way to do it right. So I'm going to do like a weekly, bi-weekly video this style, show you what's going on in the shop, show you where we are on certain projects, and then as I get the projects done and the videos edited, those will also go live. So like I said, I've got a trailer build. Forgot about that. So I did the trailer, made a logging trailer back during the end of the summer. I've still got that. So that's going to be more like a build series, probably a 2 or 3 part series with the trailer. So that will also be coming out soon. I'm hoping to have all these videos done before the official start of spring. So what's that, the middle of March? If not, shortly thereafter. We've got a lot of changes coming both for the shop and for us as a household. We are currently in the process of starting to build a new home and new shop. So all of that will play into this new style format with the updates and then walk-arounding of the new builds and all that, and process of going into all that. So there's a lot happening, and we'll be sure to bring y'all along with that. Checking my notes. Patreon. So we have reorganized or reset up the way our Patreon is tiered. So my previous 2 tiers, I didn't really know exactly what I was doing. So we took those 2 tiers away, and we have restructured it to a 7-tier system. And the further higher up into the tiers you get, the more perks come with it. So if y'all don't mind, head on over to patreon.com. I will have the link down in the description. You can go check it out. If there's something you'd like to support our channel, support the shop, support the big endeavors we have coming down the road, please, that's the link to get to that. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so and hit that bell notification. That way you can be up to date every time we post a new video. I say we, Kristen is normally behind the scenes on a lot of this stuff, so you won't see her as much, but she is still here. But we've got a lot going on. If you hit that bell notification, subscribe, you will be sure to stay and follow along with us. So I'll pan y'all around the shop real quick, and then we will sign on out. So I've got all of this new space over here. I've still got a lot of organizing to do, but the lumber rack has been reduced dramatically. I've still got a bunch of plywood I'm breaking down for those cabinets I was talking about. New cord reel, more plywood for cabinets, the new dust collector with the wiring, and the miter station. So like I said, there's still a bunch of stuff spread out while I'm doing these bank of drawers. They will go in both of these locations. And that is it. So hopefully this is interesting to y'all. Hopefully this format works for a little while anyway. And we will be sure to be here more often. So, happy woodworking. Go be awesome. We'll see y'all.